Hello everyone, today we will see how to backup your registry file. For this, press Windows plus R. Then run command will come. Then type regedit and hit OK. Done. Then select this computer. Then click on File. Then click on Export. Then give a name. For example, I give this file name backup and click save. Okay, done. Your file is saved now. It will take a while, then your file will be saved and successfully backed up. Then this process is complete. And if you want to import this file, then just click on the computer, then click on the file and click import and select your file and click open, and your file will be as the same before. Thank you.